Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on the FuelCheck application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on the settings button down below on the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on the second section, which is notifications. Here you can manage notifications, but first you need to go to your phone settings to allow the app to have access to your notifications. So here you are, tap on notifications, click on this button and then go back to the application. So now you can manage your notifications and you can also enable the favorite stations alert section by tapping on this button on the right side. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.